There are many occasions in Maharashtrian culture on that day people used to do fasting, and one of the Maharashtrian fasting survival is the sabudana usal. The authentic recipe of making sabudana usal with adding some sweet potato, which is ratal, is here. For making it, take a pan, add some oil, and add slices of green chilies. When chilies are cooked, add some sweet potato in. Fry this potato until it's turned golden. Here I am taking 100 grams sabudana, which is soaked over 2 hours. Take some shengdanaचा कूट and उपवासाचे meat as per your taste. Now mix it well. Cover your usal for 3 to 4 minutes. And it's ready to eat. Enjoy your usal. Thanks for watching.